we're gonna do some smoked, then smothered turkey wings. I'm gonna smoke my turkey wings using my Ninja Woodfire XL. But guys, any smoker you got, whether it's like a stick burner, Weber kettle, you know, pellet grill, whatever will work, okay? Just get those wings smoked. And I know there's an option you could buy smoked turkey wings at the grocery store. So if you don't have a smoker option, go ahead and go with that. Y'all, what we had to do to prepare this one is get our wings set up. Now this is about 6 pounds worth of turkey wings. The wings came fully attached, all right? So it has the drum, the flat, and the little flapper. So we're gonna take time to break these wings down. First thing we do is we got a big old knife. Mine just happens to be from Dollar Strong, so if you want to check it out, I'll put a link down below for it. Guys, a big old, you know, kind of half cleaver knife, real heavy. Chopped off the flappers, right? And then we took the drum and the flat and broke them down, busted up that joint. Do that, you break them, move them around a little bit. It helps make it a lot easier to chop through them without having to just straight cleaver them. Did that on all the wings. I believe there were 7. I had 2 packs. There were 7, 3 in one, 4 in the other. We got them seasoned up. All right, I'm using a little poultry seasoning that I get from the market. So whatever poultry seasoning you like, go for it. And then I got a little Cajun seasoning, little Bizelles. Again, whatever seasonings you like to use, knock yourself out. Just make sure they're seasoned, okay? Seasoning goes a long way. A lot of people are scared of it, but you don't have to be. I covered these bad boys up real well. The last thing I did was got my Temp Spike Plus into one of the thickest drums of these wings. We're gonna smoke these until they get to about 170 internal, and I chose the thickest wing to get us where we wanna be. Once we smoke them, we're gonna get them into a pan, a little half sheet pan. I'm using a tinfoil pan in my XL, but if you guys have the original Woodfire Grill, get yourself a little 8x8 Pyrex pan or a little 8x8 tinfoil pan that you can throw out, and then, you know, half this amount of wings in there. We're gonna get these wings smoking with little Bear Mountain pellets. Now guys, I teamed up with Bear Mountain Premium Woods and Pellets. Okay, so I'm, you know, part of their team now. I figured I use my wood fire so much, and those Ninja pellets are actually made by Bear Mountain. So it made sense to team up with such a great company that are already partnered up with Ninja, who I'm working with. Right, so it all worked out in the end. Got a nice big box. They sent me out some barbecue pellets, some cherry pellets, and then some apple and cherry wood chunks, right, to use in my kettles or whatever else I'm smoking with. So you guys will be seeing a lot more of Bear Mountain Premium Woods on my channel, and I'll have a link down below for them. Okay, it's not an affiliate link, it's just a link to their site, but great company, glad to be partnered with them, okay? So that's what we're doing. We're using the cherry wood pellets in there. Gonna add a great color and a great flavor to it. But nothing left to do but get this bad boy fired up. This is also part of Soul Food Sunday. Every year I get together with some of my guys, AB and from Smoking and Grilling AB, and then Soul Food Cooking channel here on YouTube. And about this time every year we do Soul Food Sundays. So click on that hashtag Soul Food Sunday and you'll get to see all the videos we made over the years. There are tons and tons of them, and just check it out. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy fired up. I've talked long enough. All right, guys, come on back. All right, we got our grill plate in there. That's what we're gonna lay our turkey wings on. Let's go ahead and shut this down. Pellets are in there. I told you that already. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. We're gonna go, oh, turn it on. Says hello. Well, hello. Welcome to my backyard. We're gonna go to the smoker setting. Gonna turn it up to 325 degrees. The defaulted 2-hour time is good. The wood fire flavor flame is already lit. We're gonna hit start. Let it go through the ignition process, and then we'll get our wings on. Get them smoked. Smoke is rolling, team. Let's go ahead and get our wings on. I have plenty of room for wings on this XL, but if you guys are just using the regular wood fire, then use a little bit less wings for sure. Get them all that good smoke. Oh, hush. I'll shut the lid when I'm damn good and ready. May have to do a little Tetrising in there, but that's all right. Give them a little bit of room. Got our Temp Spike Plus in this bad boy right here. And if that ain't a chorus line of flavor, I don't know what the hell it is. Let's go. Let's get these bad boys smoked up. Shut it down. We'll see you when they hit 170. Our wings are smoking. Now it's time to go make that gravy that we're gonna smother over the top, and then we'll finish in the wood fire. Simple gravy. We're gonna create a roux with a little bit of butter, a little bit of flour, right? I got some onions and bell peppers in there. Then we got some turkey stock. Gonna whisk it all together. Get your seasonings in there. We're gonna keep the poultry seasoning and the Cajun seasoning in there. All right, get it nice and mixed up and thickened. We'll set it aside, and once these are done, throw that gravy over the top with those onions and peppers in there. Finish off the braise in that wood fire. Guys, simple. It's gonna be amazing. I got some mashed potatoes we're gonna put it with. Too damn good. Do not miss this one. Ooh, you're gonna wanna try this because I've had this before. I've done this before. And you smoke it and smother it. Guys, I would say it's money in the bank. All right, stick around. As the wings are done smoking, they look fabulous. Got a nice dark color to them, nice smoke penetration, right? Time to get them into a tin foil pan here. We're not gonna put all of them in there. I'm saving some for stock. Okay, so I'm gonna use the smoked wings for a turkey stock, which may or may not be a video later, probably short. It's not gonna take very long. During the holiday time, I love making my own stock. So I'll use these smoked wings. I'll use the wing tips that we already cut off, and it helps bring together a nice, beautiful stock. So be on the lookout for that one. All right, let's get these bad boys out and get them in that pan. We'll pour the gravy over, get them back in for a little bit. We're good to go. Guys, gravy's on, pan's going, we're good to go. We're gonna let these go for another hour. So it took about 40 minutes to get those wings up to temp. They temped out about 170 to 180 in there. You know, the flats are a little bit, you know, they cook a little bit faster. At this point, since they're actually cooked all the way through, we're not gonna be paying attention to internal temps anymore. Now it's just about letting them sit in that good gravy, letting them braise for a little bit, get nice and tender. I left it on the smoker setting. If you wanted to, at this point, you could throw them in the oven in the house, okay, if you don't want to mess with the barbecue outside anymore. But I figured it's on, I'm gonna leave it going, right? So, like I said, another hour of just braising, chilling. I'll take a look at it about halfway through, but really, we're just gonna leave it. If you're looking, you ain't cooking. You know what I'm saying? All right, guys, this is good stuff. I hope you're enjoying it thus far. I know I'm gonna enjoy it when it's done, baby. All right, come on back. Y'all, wings are done, guys. They look beautiful. I just marvel at myself sometimes when I make these beautiful dishes. Now these smothered turkey wings are gonna be amazing. I'm gonna get them inside. Now I said I was gonna do some mashed potatoes with them, but I decided I wanna do a little rice. I think the rice and the gravy go pretty dang well together. So let's go ahead and get that plated up inside. We'll take a bite. We'll take a couple pictures for the gram, and you'll see how amazing it is. All right, come on back. We're done, guys. We've made it to the finish line. Took a little bit of time. Altogether, this took about 2 hours with like prep, smoking it, and then braising it in that gravy, but time well spent. Go ahead and grab a little bite, cut into it, show how tender it is, guys. I'm using a knife just to get a clean cut, but you know, this is fork tender, baby. So, got a little bite with some rice, got our turkey, got gravy, so good. Y'all, you're getting that smoke, you're getting that good seasoning. That gravy is amazing with the onions and the peppers in it. Guys, wouldn't change a dang thing on this one. Now, I'll put the ingredients in prep down below, but This is pretty simple steps to get where you want to be. Like I said, time well spent waiting for it to happen, but too good, too damn good. All right, guys. If you guys want to get one of those Woodfire grills, I'll put the links down below. I also have 3 Woodfire E-Cookbooks if you guys want to check them out. You throw them in a bundle and save a few bucks. So links are down below for that. For that ThermoPro Temp Spike Plus, brand new on the scene. Check it out. Links are down below. Save you 30% if you use my link. All right. If you'd like to become a show producer like all the awesome people scrolling in front of me, people that know you got to season up them wings just right to get them the way you want them. There are 2 ways to become a show producer. Hit that link down below to my Patreon, or hit the join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.